Rolling over a 401k to Vanguard involves transferring the funds from your current employer-sponsored retirement account, 401k, to a Vanguard individual retirement account, IRA. This can offer you more control over your investments and potentially lower fees. Let's see a step-by-step guide on how to execute a 401k rollover to Vanguard. Research and choose Vanguard before initiating a rollover. Research and choose Vanguard as the financial institution where you want to open an IRA. Vanguard is known for its low-cost index funds and reputable investment options. Determine eligibility. Check with your current employer's 401k plan administrator to ensure that your plan allows for rollovers. Most plans allow rollovers, but some might have restrictions. Open a Vanguard IRA. If you don't have an existing Vanguard account, you'll need to open a Vanguard IRA. This can often be done online by filling out an application on the Vanguard website. You'll need to provide personal information and decide whether you want a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA. For a 401k rollover, you'll likely choose a traditional IRA. Contact your current plan administrator. Get in touch with your current 401k plan administrator. They will provide you with the necessary paperwork and instructions for initiating the rollover. This might include a distribution request form. Complete the paperwork provided by your current plan administrator. You'll need to specify the amount you want to roll over to Vanguard and provide your Vanguard IRA account information. After submitting the paperwork, your current plan administrator will process the distribution of funds from your 401k account. They might either send a check directly to Vanguard or initiate an electronic transfer. Once Vanguard receives the funds, they will deposit it into your Vanguard IRA. The funds will now be invested according to your chosen investment preferences within your Vanguard account. After the funds are in your Vanguard IRA, review your investment choices and allocate your fund according to your financial goals and risk tolerance. Regularly monitor your investments and make adjustments as needed to stay aligned with your financial objectives. Remember that this is a simplified example, and the actual process might vary based on individual circumstances and the policies of the specific 401k plan and financial institution involved. It's also a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to ensure you understand the implications of the rollover for your unique financial situation.